Travelog 40 it is, where we are at Changunarayan temple, one of the oldest temple it is, and you're once again at Travel with Shikha. We left our cars at Telkot and we had a drive of an hour from the Kathmandu city, and from there we hiked for about an hour and a half. Really serene, really a beautiful hike. That's what happened on a Saturday morning, and today we were about 16 of us, a good time with good company and conversations. We got to this place, didn't know how time went by, but here what you can see is the museum is just here where I'm standing right now, and the museum is really nice, where it talks about a lot of things that happened here. And also, while Krishna Ashtami, while all the main festivals like Tej, Krishna Ashtami and Nag Panchami is all relevant to the Changunarayan temple and Lord Vishnu, who is the main god being worshipped here. And also the really nice thing about this place is all the Nepalese notes, the symbols in it come from this museum. And today being Saturday, a lot of people are here to see the museum and to just get a nice view of the place. And also, since it being the oldest, they are here worshipping Lord Vishnu. And the side that you can see from these windows is what the museum what the oldest temple looks like. And this is where Changunarayan temple is all about. Thank you so much. Travelog 40 it is, and Travel with Shikha.